watching this. I'm back on my channel. It's worth it because everything is great. But please don't listen to the haters. I changed the nice with good. So whatever you did for the channel, whatever you do for your channel, don't give up. Keep going. Look, I keep going. I have 421 subscribers. So, bye.